So this is the last day that Tanner's here for the weekend, and Richie came by. He brought his Lexus, and we're gonna do some work. So this vacation just turned into a workcation for you, bro.
Yeah.
So
I just send the bill to him or you or.
yeah, right. So what are you doing today, Richie? You got
some shorts, suspension, you got coilovers.
Oh yeah.
So, like these are the Street Plus coilovers.
Yeah.
There's no damping on them.
No.
So, you know what that means?
They're just tight.
Exactly.
Yep.
The reason why I bought it because my dad had an 86 300ZX.
Yeah.
That car was solid stiff. And when I said that car was solid stiff,
Oh man.
go with a speed bump, you went like this.
Oh wow. 3-wheel and everything. Yeah.
I mean, it was solid enough when I had a strut bar.
Oh
My
nice.
dad on a full bend going this way.
Oh
Hit a
wow.
70 and it's still going.
Oh man.
That's how we roll.
That's nice, dude. Yeah, that's pretty good looking suspension you got there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Core adjustable down here.
That's pretty sweet, man.
Top.
Oh wow.
This is our fronts. Courtesy of Next Gen Tuning. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Evan. This is the left side. So nice
Oh,
little,
dude, these are beautiful. Look
Oh, yeah.
at these. That's good craftsmanship. Nice.
not bad.
Sweet.
Strong, I had to get like the impact sockets for all my sockets.
Oh, there goes.
Nice.
Oh, he's clear.
Did you get that nut? Did you get that nut I dropped down there? Oh.
So here's what we just took out. Oh, I'm sorry, what they just took out. There's really no... There's no we in this. I'm just the idiot running the camera. But yeah, so what is it? You got TNs on stock strut?
Yep.
Dude, okay, yeah.
I bought the car like that.
Really?
Came like that. So I've been riding like this. I'm on the highway, hit by like a buck plus.
Yeah. All over the place, right?
Oh no.
That's what it feels like. I'm like, oh, it's sketchy.
Yeah, it is, because dude, the spring rates and the damper of the shock don't match, so they constantly fight each other. And it does give you the lowered, center of gravity, but as far as handling goes, out the window. So this is going to be substantially better.
This works with delivering pizzas.
Oh yeah, that's right. You run pizzas with this.
Yeah, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm hungry. That's
Hey, Nick. Hey,
Where them pizzas at?
hey,
I'm
I
not-
need some pizzas over here. Hey, ASAP. I know that delivery place dumb, expensive, but I'll send it.
I'm not touching another bolt until I get some pizza in my hand.
Oh, he's demanding. He's got demands.
Where the beer at?
That's nice looking.
Oh, dude, that thing is awesome. Now, what exactly is that a camber arm going to do? I don't really know what this is. This drift stuff is new to me.
So, what we're supposed to do is, due to the fact there's no camber plate on the coilovers itself, it does
Basically gives his wheel negative camber, so it tilts the tops in and the bottoms out. So when your suspension is compressed and you're going sideways, your tire is actually more flat to the road. That's how I understand. I'm not really a drifter either because I have an all-wheel drive car.
Yeah. So this allows you to run more camber, right?
more aggressive sometimes.
Yeah, like how many more degrees can you get out of it? Like, it looks pretty aggressive, honestly.
It looks pretty crazy.
I was looking at the plate that's on there, and if I had to guess, I'd say probably 5 or 10 degrees.
I don't know.
That doesn't seem too unreasonable.
Like a Subaru, you can only go like -1. Like, because those camber bolts, they're like
camber bolts,
kind of oblong. So.
So then, are you going to need an alignment after this, or are you going to just eyeball it?
I got a phone we're trying to do on Friday.
Oh, okay. So you'll have your alignment done on Friday.
Yep.
Well, what we can do is we can use the quick jack and go up and down and get it set, as close as we can manually.
You got control old one out, new one in. So you know how that goes.
Oh, dude, nice work. This stuff is really nice.
Oh yeah.
It looks good.
So car, like I said, we're like this way, and look at this.
You got yourself a banjo.
Yeah, buddy.
He's got a harp.
I thought we were trying to class the place up with like a harp or something.
Yeah, I immediately went for banjo. You're good.
Go bam, bam.
There it is.
Bam. So we're gonna need some leverage on here.
There it is, number 2.
If I put it on this the way it is, then my camber game's like dumb retarded camber.
Oh, I see.
I'm like hitting this.
Yeah, so you gotta adjust it. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, look how long that one is. When that one came out of the box, it was way shorter. So you can line the 2 up, that way you get a rough idea where you're at. Oh yeah, dude, this is nice. So, what all True Heart stuff you got here? You got, which one is this?
So,
And then this one?
traction,
And then the camber.
upper camber, coilovers, and rear camber.
And lower. Wow. Dude, that's nice. That's gonna be really good. So then, what all is this gonna improve?
Well, the car is very hoppity.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a solid ride. It's all right. It's moving like, instead of me going like that,
Yeah.
it's gonna at least you can go like that and just go.
Yeah, exactly. A lot more control, right? Predictability and everything. Yeah. Dude, this is great.
Out.
Oh, we got
Oh! Wow! There it is. There. 2 fingers.
2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Oh, man.
That's too much gap.
Yeah, you got gap back here.
Yeah, close that son. Oh, hold on. You break this.
We gotta
Hold on.
reset it. Yeah, you got a lot of gap back there.
Do some. You got a gap. It's not that bad.
Yeah. I don't know. You want to lower it more? Yeah. Well, all right, we're going back up now. So the coilover install and the camber arm install on the IS300 is basically wrapping up right now. Oh yeah.
Kicking our butts.
So we ran into an issue with one of the ball joints. It's really hard to get out of there. Or 2. Okay, so 2 out of the 4. Yeah, the rears. And the things are press fit. So we had to keep hitting it and hitting it and hitting it. And well, it's finally wrapped up.
Oh yeah.
I finally got it.
Yeah.
She
Ain't
got
got
your wing. Oh,
Where it's coming out. Well, you trying to wiggle it out? Is it like bushings or something?
Oh, duh. Let the bolt in. Yeah, that happens. Like,
Oh, there it is.
Crack the pants or something over there.
He's got it.
Nice.
Ah, there it is. Yeah. So the problem that we were having was that, you guys look at this bolt. You see how it's shaped, how it's angled? That's a press fit bolt. And you basically just have to heat up the outside of it, and then use
your
a
pickle
collar,
fork.
collar fork? Is that what it is?
Pickle fork.
Pickle fork.
I don't know.
Yeah, pickle fork, collar fork, whatever. But it's a wedge, essentially. It's a wedge tool. You push it in there, you hammer it, and you keep hammering it, and it slowly draws this out, and then once you get it to the end, it pops out. But the hard part is getting it to the end, and some are easy, some are hard. The rears are a pain in the butt. But he got it. He got both of them, actually. He's really good at the hammer, man. Good work.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Subaru guy saved the day.
We know how to. We're professional car mechanics, basically.
Yeah, we're superheroes in this stuff because, you know, the Subarus break down all the time.
We get lots of practice.
Well, there it is. So you're all finished up. So how was the installation process today?
The fronts weren't that bad, just the rears.
The rear was rough, right?
Yeah, it was like bang, bang, bang. Take a lighter to it, warm it up.
Yep. Yeah, dude, we had to use a torch to loosen up those press fit bolts that were in there. So cool, man. Thank you for coming up here. Glad that you could use the quick check. Exactly. Yep. And good luck with the car. We'll have to follow up with you once you get the alignment. Maybe you can come back up, or maybe I can go to a drift event with you.
Yeah, it's like there's no more.
Yeah?
Nah.
You know, you're just going to drive it?
Yeah.
Ah, that's boring.
It's a daily.
Yeah, that's true. All right, man. Have a good one.
All right, guys.
All right. See you, bro.